And okay, girlfriend, break down this latest inflation report. I'm guessing that what we're saying is there's a chance we won't have another interest rate hike. Fingers crossed.
I think that's what the market is reacting to.
Yay!
Yeah, it's the final day of the month, the final day of the quarter, and hopefully maybe the end of an era. That seems to be what everyone on Wall Street and probably in America is hoping. And I think the takeaway here is that inflation has been high, but when it starts coming down, it can come down very quickly. So we saw 5.3% inflation for the Fed's favorite measure of inflation, PCE, in January. Now it's down less than expected. Inflation is up just 5% year over year. So pretty dramatic drop. I also want to highlight in Europe, we saw inflation data from them. This morning, we learned that inflation went from 8.5% to 6.9% month over month. So we're seeing really dramatic declines in inflation, which is exactly what we want to see. Lower than expected, lower than last month, and lower month over month. So that's very positive. And I think this, of course, coupled with the fact that we have had multiple bank failures this month, I think is enough to make people feel very confident. It's very possible that we won't have any more interest rate hikes the rest of the year.
Which is exciting. And then you've got more optimism going into the second quarter, which we need. European stocks also slightly higher as Eurozone consumer prices actually cooled. So do you think, how much do we in our situation affect global economic optimism?
I think it all ties together. We're a very global world, obviously. And so to an extent, there is a little bit of communication between our leaders, Jerome Powell, and what the European Central Bank does. Because, yeah, this is a very global world, right? We buy products from all over. And of course, this is hopefully the end as well of so many of the supply chain disruptions we experienced during COVID. That was a huge snafu. With China's lockdowns, it was very difficult to get parts for everything from microwaves to cars. And so that's one other element that's been pushing prices higher that I think is slowly coming down and will likely, hopefully, cease to be an issue. Hopefully no more COVID lockdowns anywhere.
No more as of May 11th. All emergency declarations in the United States completely removed. So, as you mentioned at the top, a new era. We welcome a new era completely. Lydia, thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.